Hello guys, so today I'm bleaching my hair, which I have filmed before and I didn't upload. Basically what happened was I bleached my hair twice about a month ago over the course of 2 weeks, and then it turned like a light orange, which was fine, and I put hair dye over the top of it to turn it like ashy blonde, and it ended up turning brown. So I'm back at my original color 2 bleaches later, and we're gonna go again. So I have coconut oil in my hair right now. I slept with coconut oil in it so it will not get so damaged, and yeah, let's get to it. And in case anyone's curious, Sage is taking care of Lee at the moment. Lee is taking care of Sage. At this point I have so many foils over my face I can barely see anything, and doing the back is so hard, but it's alright. I'm almost done actually. I just have this. So yeah. Time to wash it out. I'm sure everyone probably thinks this looks crazy right now, but I don't think it's that bad. I haven't done my roots yet because I didn't have time, but I'll go back in on them later. Okay, so we're going to the shops now and I'm gonna get something to tone my hair. It looks pretty bad, so I've got a hat on. Even my dad commented, what the hell happened to your hair? So anyways, how do I look, guys? Embarrassing? What's up, bro?
Looks okay with hat. What is that called?
Well, I don't know which color I need. Is there like a certain color? Like what? I'm not lifting. No, I don't need that.
Smash them. That's all you need to do. Just smash them.
Should I?
Yeah.
You get like a surprise in every one of them. Pretty cool. What would you prefer?
Thank you for shopping at BW.
Alright, so now it's time for me to go back in and do the roots. We bought the, I know, look at that. We bought the toner, or whatever, lightener. So tomorrow I'm going to finish everything, but tonight I'm going to hopefully get the roots done. Maybe I'm only going to get the front roots. I might have to wait until tomorrow to do the back roots. You know, baby life. Time to wash. Okay. It's nighttime. I've got coconut oil in. I'm going to leave it in until tomorrow, and then I'm going to lighten it one more time. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so day 2. I have coconut oil in my hair again, so that's why it looks oily. I've got some very white patches, some orangey patches, and some yellowy patches. So I'm going to go in over the orange, and then lightly over the yellow, and then, yeah. Then we're done, hopefully. Hopefully it will turn out good. I'm so excited to be blonde though, like, it's crazy. I can't imagine myself blonde, and I'm so excited. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna mix up the bleach again, and we're gonna do it, and I'm finally gonna be blonde. Yay! I should also mention, the stuff that I bought yesterday, the 2 hair lighteners, I thought that was toner, and I thought it was gonna make my hair like, you know, not yellow, but turns out it's actually just packet bleach. So I'm gonna return those if I can and trade it for a toner. Yeah, so I'm just using the same bleach I was using yesterday, same bleach that I always use. Yeah, I'm a bit annoying, but it's fine, it's my fault. Okay, all the bleach is in, my hair is in foils. I'm so excited. If I get blonde, I'm going to like scream. See you soon. Okay, I just washed it out, so I'm going to take the towel off now. I have not seen how it looks. Obviously it's going to look different wet than dry though, so it's still wet. Oh, what the hell? It's still red. But anyways, It'll be much lighter when it dries, so it's not a big deal. Oh, okay. Okay. Very interesting. Let's see how it looks dry. So I look insane. But this is my current situation. It's honestly not that bad. If I just put a slightly darker color at the top and then the normal color at the end, it's gonna be totally fine. Anyways, you know what? I'm gonna consider it a success even though I look ridiculous. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the shops, buy some more products, return the products that we're not using, and then yeah, and then I'm gonna be proper blunt. I swear to God. I got to charge the camera battery, but basically I just wanted to say that I'm about to put the dye in, just on the ends, not on the roots, because the roots are pretty much fine. So yeah. Anyways, yep. I'll have the camera back in a second. I feel like nothing changed, which is to be expected. So you know what, I'm probably just gonna, if this doesn't turn out like nice, I'm just gonna go darker, not like brown but darker blonde. So much stress. I think it looks a little bit better. The top is definitely still lighter. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Okay, I'm gonna have to explain everything. Okay, so here's the situation. We went to the shops just then and we looked at our options, and I decided, well actually, Lee was the one who suggested that I try pink. So we're gonna give it a go. I'm not sure if it's gonna take on my hair because it's kind of, it's not the lightest color that there is. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna give it a test run just so you can see. Yeah, it's pretty yellow. The moment of truth, I'm about to wash it out and see how it looks. My hair looks really white right now. Let's vote right now. I'm gonna vote that it's not gonna turn out well. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm on to my 4th bleach in 2 days, and this has to turn out white. If it doesn't turn out white, I'm just shaving my head. That's it. So, some things have changed. Okay, it's super uneven, don't look at it, but what happened? So basically, I bleached again last night. It didn't go light at all. It just stayed the exact same color. So I was like, so I put pink dye on it. I knew that the pink was only gonna take on the top. I didn't think it was gonna take on the bottom, but it actually did take on the bottom a bit. So it's kind of like a, I'm gonna call it like a sunset, like a pastel pink to rosy, orangey, you know, intentional. I meant to make it ombre.